Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide WhatsApp online status. Taking inspiration from other chat platforms, the app will display whenever you're online so others can chat with you in real time. But what if you want to be as stealthy and appear offline while you chat with the people you actually want to talk to? The good news is that it's pretty easy to do. A quick word of warning though, while it's easy enough to do, hiding your last seen and online status will also stop you from being able to see when others are online or when they were last active. If you're happy with the trade-off in functionality, here's how to hide your online status on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the main menu, tap Settings to go to WhatsApp Settings menu. Then tap Privacy. Now tap Last Seen and Online. Within the Privacy menu, you should see a Last Seen and Online sub-menu. Tap it and you'll be presented with 4 options relating to who can see the last time you were online. Everyone, my contacts, my contact Zep, and nobody. Tap nobody. Then tap same as last seen under who can see when I'm online. Within the same menu, you also see a settings that controls who can see your online status. To mirror your last seen settings and hide your online status from everyone on WhatsApp, make sure same as last seen is selected. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.